Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get straight into the video today. Today we are come at Municipal Corporation Building, which is in south of Mumbai and is also known as BMC, that's short for. This building was built on 9th of December 1884 and it completed its construction in the year 1893.
Now, the iconic Mumbai BMC headquarters is open for a tourist for Heritage Walk.
Yes, and plus this is a 155-year-old building which is during the British era. This was actually designed by Frederick William Stephens. The construction style is also Gothic Revival style. It's very ancient, very old.
We will give you all a tour inside the BMC headquarters. Join us, guys.
It's a great example of Gothic style and the top part of the building is called Indo-Saracenic style.
Here's a statue of Dr. Firozshah Mehta. He was the one who drafted the Mumbai Municipal Corporation Act of 1888, which still exists. He was known as the Lion of Mumbai and the father of municipal corporation. The initial M resembles Mehta.
The name of the lady is Urbs Prima, which is the foremost city in India, and she represents Bombay, now known as Mumbai. She holds a ship in her right hand, which is the importance of Mumbai, the natural harbour. Now we are inside the BMC headquarters. Look at the fine architectural work.
Venetian lion symbolizes superiority over air, water, and land, which covers all three dimensions. The tail depicts a sea serpent.
Wherever you see F.W. Stephens' work, he made a lot of use of animal motifs. This fountain is one of his works and it is known as Duck Fountain. It is the only fountain which has ducks in it. It has other marine life as well as the heron, crane, storks, frog, crabs, etc. This fountain is functional, but today being the week off, it's closed. Have a look at the tiles. They are Minton tiles imported from England. Every piece is installed separately and they are the original tiles from 1893.
Now we are in the corporation hall. This is where all the corporators sit and take important decisions, example taxes. In terms of seats, now there are 227 corporators. That's the seat of the mayor.
Initially, public and press were allowed at these balconies to watch the proceedings. Ship, feather and lion represent sea, air and land. As you can see on top, it's all gilded in gold leaf.
These figurettes on the wall represents the 18 different communities, also known as Atra Pagdi Jati.
The mayor is the first citizen of the city. Standing committee is the most important committee because it controls the budget. Victoria Terminus, now known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, was built in 1888 on the occasion of Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria when she completed 50 years as Queen. The architect behind this again is F.W. Stephens. If you pay close attention, you will be able to see peacock, jaguar, jackals, etc.
Yato Dharmasto Jaya in Sanskrit, which means where there is righteousness, there shall be victory.
A very important event occurred here in the First War of Independence in 1857. There were two alleged conspirators who were caught by the police and publicly executed right here. Only the mayor is eligible to sit on this chair. These are the original chandeliers imported from England.
The office in front is the Municipal Commissioner's office. Municipal Commissioner is an IAS officer generally elected for a term of 3 years. Present Municipal Commissioner is Mr. Iqbal Singh Chahal.
Now we are at the topmost level of the building. Look at the fine detailing work on top. It's all minted in real gold. This is not the actual dome which we see from outside, it is a false dome. Let's show you all the fantastic view from top. That was it for today's tour. It was very mesmerizing. I loved the structure, the interiors too.
Yes, I too was really impressed by the architectural work. I haven't seen such a fine art for a long time. The headquarters is exactly opposite Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus station. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is a historic terminal train station and UNESCO World Heritage Site in Mumbai. It is one of the busiest railway stations in India.